Okay, good morning everybody. Can you guess what we're doing this morning? Probably not, but I'm going to show you, give you a little clue here. If I can pan this over. There we go. Sitting on that little step stool right there is a set of color matched shackles from a place called Bronco Shackles.com. These are the Cactus Gray. We have a young man here in the greater Kansas City area who is identified a open spot in the aftermarket for a Bronco, in that people want to have their shackles match their truck or contrast their truck or something other than the black that you can go down to Harbor Freight or anybody that sells this kind of stuff and buy. The ones that are currently on there are, I think, from Harbor Freight, if I remember right. And they're just black and they work just fine and there's nothing wrong with them. But we're going to change out today. We're going to switch over to these color matched Cactus Gray shackles and see what y'all think. He does offer most of the colors in the Bronco lineup. We are going to take these out and switch them over your bag, because you can never have too much of this kind of stuff. And we're going to trade them out with these, and we'll see how they go on there and how they look. Now, he sells the shackles, and then he sells this little isolator kit. Adds about $5. Reading on his website, his shipping is free, so the price you see is pretty much the price you pay. And in all fairness and all disclosure, Tucker sent us these. The young man's name is Tucker that owns this business. He sent us these in exchange for, if one gets in it, the other's got to. So, okay, so anyway, we put the shepherds in the house. So Tucker did send us these in exchange for making a video for him, for the channel. And I'll send it to him. He can use it in advertising or whatever he wants to do. That's fine. I may not have enough hands here to do all this, even using a camera stand. So here we go. That's definitely going to set the bumper off a little bit, kind of contrast it a bit, which I like. I think that's going to be a good look for it. And with these isolators, they don't hang around a whole bunch. We'll hook this bad boy back on there, and we'll take this thing. There we go, folks. You can see the contrast there just a little bit. How she's going to look with both the gray and a black still on the other side. I'm going to show you how they come packaged and everything. He does package them up pretty well, and he is talking about making some changes to package them even better. So I'm going to turn the camera here just a bit, and we will have a look at this. So they come in this sleeve. They are shipped through United States Postal Service. They come bubble wrapped. Like I said, and Tucker messaged me and asked me how they did showing up and everything. So I don't think they did too bad. This one took just a little bit, maybe of a bump, but they're going to take that if you're on a rig. You're going to take some bumping around. So these isolators, I think, are a pretty neat idea here to protect this a little bit. They are a good heavy rubber, and they do take a little bit to push them on there. There we go. This is the way I figured to do the other one is you get them started kind of sideways, and then you just turn them until you get them where you want them at. Think about like that. And we'll put the other one on. I'll take this other one here off. So, put that down there. And so there we go. They're on there. They definitely contrast that bumper nice. Pull this out of your way so you can maybe see a little better. And we'll call those our going to town jewelry, and we'll save the old black ones for the trail, and when we might actually beat them up a little bit and try to keep these looking nice. So thank you, Mr. Tucker and Bronco Shackles. We do appreciate it. The fit and finish is very nice on them. They go on, they look good. Said the Cactus Gray is not an exact match. You can see a little difference between the trim piece there under the grill and the shackle. I suspect, having seen this Cactus Gray in all the different lights, it is going to be one of the harder colors to get a really good match on. I don't know what Ford does with that thing, but this thing changes colors depending on, it's a cloudy day, it's supposed to rain here in a little while, and it'll have a lot different kind of tint to it than it will in the sunlight. And she's also dusty and dirty because we live on a dirt road, and that's just the way that works. But overall, I think they go on, they look nice. I think especially when you're talking about some of your more basic colors, they're going to match up really well, and they're going to look really sharp. So good job, Tucker. We like them.